So recently, Rob Skiba published this video debunking number 1 of the top 10 reasons why we allegedly know the Earth is round, short version. This one was centered around space and photographs of the Earth. And in it, Rob performs one of the standard classic tests to show, quote unquote, that the Earth, photos of the Earth are fake. Let's play the video and then we'll take a look.
Right here on the NASA website, Scientists on the Moon. Click on this picture right here. Supposedly the same mission, same guys that took the picture of the most famous picture of our Earth. I'm going to do save image as, and let's see, Apollo Moon. Let's call it Apollo Moon 17. And I'm going to open that in Photoshop. Okay, I'm going to zoom in on the Earth. I'm going to go to Image, Adjust, Levels, and I'm going to bring the levels up. Uh-oh. Why is there a square box around the Earth allegedly taken from the scientists on the moon in Apollo 17? And people wonder why I don't trust NASA. That's why I don't trust NASA. I mean, they're always out there saying, you know, Rob, you...
Okay, Rob, let me tell you about images. The image you just downloaded was a low-resolution version of the image used on the web page itself, so it loads quickly. This will suffer image degradation, particularly in areas of contrast between bright and dark areas. So here's the image. Let's this is on the NASA image library, which I noticed you weren't on. You're on the standard NASA site. You need to get to the image library, Rob, because there you can download the full resolution versions. So here's the image itself. Scientist on the moon. And there it is. This is essentially the image that Rob looked at. But just here, we have a URL to download the full resolution image. So let's do that. Because we wouldn't want to be disingenuous, would we, Rob? So we'll have that image download. Now, I too, Rob, have Photoshop. So let's copy that image, take it into Photoshop. You don't even need to save it, to be honest, Rob. You can just do a new image. It will size it for what's on your clipboard, which, as you can see, is over 4,000 pixels in each direction. So it's a large size image. And then paste it straight in. So there's our image in Photoshop. And watch carefully, Rob. When we zoom in on the Earth and do exactly the same thing you did, image adjustments, levels. Let's take that level marker up, see what happens. Not a lot, no box. Some lightening of pixels as you'd expect due to glare around the image and bleeding of that bright color into the dark. But exactly as you expect on a standard image, even glare all around, not the box that you had. The reason for the box you had was purely because what you're looking at was a lower resolution compressed image, and that glare that you see here compresses down into image artifacts, little blue red squares that form a box around the Earth. So, Rob Skiba, either you weren't aware that this was a thing, or maybe you didn't know that there was a full resolution image available. But I kind of doubt that. You've been doing this long enough to know about this. You know about image compression. You know exactly why that box appears. And yet you're still putting out videos with the same old shit. Rob, you're being disingenuous. You're being a liar. And I've just proved it. See you later.